Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today I am Ahmad Azim Muhammad bin Johar, student from Computer Science with Informatics Maritime, matrix number S71471. Today I will be representing on the IMO strategy for reducing GHG emission from the ship. This topic is especially relevant given the pressing need to address climate changes and the critical role of international shipping in global greenhouse gas emission. International shipping is responsible for a significant portion of global greenhouse gas (GHG) emission. As we all know, the shipping industry is essential for global trade, but it also contributes to air pollution and climate change. Therefore, the International Maritime Organization (IMO) has developed a comprehensive strategy to address this emission. Let's start by understanding the challenge we face and the IMO roles in the process. The challenge is clear. Shipping contributes significantly to global GHG emission, require urgent action. To tackle this, the IMO has laid out GHG strategy, building upon existing regulation under MARPOL Annex VI. This annex focus on air pollution prevention and set standard for the reduction of emission from ships. The IMO leads the global effort to regulate and reduce this emission from international shipping. Through this strategy, the IMO aims to provide a structured approach, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned in tackling the emission problem in the maritime sector. Now, vision for sustainable future. This vision behind the IMO strategy revolves around four key pillars. 1. Decarbonization. The IMO has made a clear commitment to decarbonize international shipping as soon as possible. 2. Zero emission shipping. The long-term goal is for zero-emission shipping, which aligns with global climate objective. 3. Global cooperation. To achieve this, the IMO emphasized the importance of cooperation among member states, industry, and other key stakeholders. 4. Innovation and technology. Innovation will be essential for the transition, with a focus on adapting new technologies for cleaner maritime operation. The transition toward a sustainable shipping future is possible, but it will require collaboration, innovation, and significant investment in technology. Now, moving on the level of ambition. The IMO has set several important goals for reducing GHG emission from ships. Peak emission. The strategy urged the shipping industry to peak emission as soon as possible, ensuring the emission don't increase beyond a certain threshold. Reduce total GHG by 2050. The IMO aims to reduce annual GHG emission by at least 50% compared to 2008 levels. This will require robust measures and collaborative effort. Phase out emission. Ultimately, the goal is to phase out GHG emission entirely by the end of this century, with the aim of achieving zero emission shipping. This ambitious target will require a combination of technological innovation, regulatory framework, and continued international cooperation. Now, moving on the level of ambition. The IMO has set several important goals for reducing GHG emission from ships. Peak emission. The strategy urged the shipping industry to peak emission as soon as possible, ensuring the emission don't increase beyond a certain threshold. Reduce total GHG by 2050. The IMO aims to reduce annual GHG emission by at least 50% compared to 2008 levels. This will require robust measure and collaborative effort. Phase out emission. Ultimately, the goal is to phase out GHG emission entirely by the end of this century, with the aim of achieving zero emission shipping. This ambitious target will require a combination of technological innovation, regulatory framework, and continued international cooperation. Now, to guide this transition, the IMO strategy is built upon several guiding principles. First, non-discrimination, ensuring fair treatment for all ships regardless of their flags of origin. 2. Openness and transparency, promoting clear communication and accountability in the implementation of the strategy. 3. Technological neutrality, encouraging diverse solutions without favoring specific technologies. This allows for flexibility and adaptation across different countries and technologies. 4. Common but different responsibility, acknowledging that nations have varying capabilities and responsibilities in reducing emission. This principle ensures that the approach is fair, inclusive and adaptable to various national context and technological capabilities. Okay, next is a key launch project. To support the IMO strategy, several key projects have been launched. These projects are vital in assisting country and industry in meeting the IMO GHG's target. First, GLO MIP project. This initiative supports developing countries by focusing on energy efficiency and GHG reduction in the maritime sector. 2. IMO Norway Green Voyage 2050. This project helps facilitate the uptake of low carbon fuels and energy efficiency technologies in the maritime sector. 3. GHG Smart project. This project focuses on supporting member states in implementing the IMO GHG strategy, providing resources and guidance. These projects are critical in achieving the IMO ambitious goals, especially for countries with limited resources. Okay, next, the IMO strategy also emphasizes technological and operational measures. First, energy efficiency. Ships must meet standards like the Energy Efficiency Design Index (EEDI) for new ships and the Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan for all ships. These standards encourage energy efficient operation and design. Number 2, alternative fuels. To decarbonize the industry, the IMO encourages the development and adoption of low carbon and zero carbon fuels, including hydrogen, ammonia, biofuel, and electric propulsion. Safety guidelines for these new fuels are also being developed to ensure their safe use in maritime operation. Number 3, operational measure. The IMO also advocates for measures like speed optimization and routes planning to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emission. Okay, now, in addition to technological advancement, market-based measures are essential part of the IMO strategy. First, carbon pricing, exploring carbon levy or emission trading scheme to encourage ships to reduce emission. Number 2, R&D fund, establishing a global fund to accelerate the development of new technologies for a cleaner shipping operation. Number 3, incentive, providing incentive for early adoption of cleaner technology and practice in the shipping industry. This market-based measure will help drive the financial support needed for the widespread adoption of cleaner technology in the industry. In conclusion, the IMO GHG strategy represents a crucial step towards a more sustainable maritime future. However, achieving the ambitious target set forth requires continuous innovation, strong regulatory frameworks, and unwavering international cooperation. Every stakeholder in the shipping industry must contribute to this collective journey. The strategy is a long-term commitment to reducing emission, and also we have made a great stride. The road ahead remains challenging, but with global collaboration and the adoption of innovative technology, a zero-emission future for shipping is within reach. Thank you for your attention. That's all from me.